vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are in a grocery store and I'm going to be responding to your questions and also showing you some different vegan foods at the same time. Come on.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You say that you love me, and that's wonderful. But here's the thing, it's not really about me. It's about the animals and protecting them from harm. So we're gonna look for a vegan pizza here in the freezer section. So this brand that you see makes vegan products, all kinds of them, and this in particular is a kind of vegan pizza, and here's another one. So you've got all kinds, you see, and they happen to be gluten-free as well, which of course has nothing to do with veganism though, because veganism is about the animals. Here's one with mushroom and roasted garlic, so you get the idea. There's no excuse for animal abuse, no reason to hurt animals. If you don't like these for whatever reason, then just go find another or just make your own. Look, this one has Beyond Meat in it, which is delicious. It's spicy and just, hits the spot. Go vegan, you can do it.
Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Saving animals begins with you. If your neighbor can be vegan, then so can you.
Hello there. So you are saying that my shirt is not vegan. I'm wondering how you would know something like that, because I just turned around and I didn't see anybody trying to grab me behind the neck and read the tag on my shirt. So I really just think that maybe you're just being one of these people who tries to avoid the subject, which is we're talking about the animals and being kind to them. Vegans do not wear leather or wool or fur. Vegans wear cotton and polyester and acrylic and other things that are vegan. But right now we're talking about vegan foods, and these are some peas that you can buy. Stock up on these and Google vegan recipes, learn how to make delicious soups and stews. And look, these are black-eyed beans. You heard of the band Black Eyed Peas? Well, here are black-eyed beans. Check it out. Anyway, thanks a lot for being here. Go vegan. I believe in you. You can totally do this.
Step by step, you're on your way. You're on your way. Step by step, a little each day. Each day. Step by step, you're on your way, on your vegan journey, and everything is gonna be okay. I believe in you. You can do this in my heart. I know it's true. I believe in you. You can do this in my heart. I know it's true. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on.
The first time that I ever tried vegan cheesecake was when my son's girlfriend came over for my birthday, and she brought this as a dessert. Now, to be honest, I didn't even really like regular cheesecake before. It just wasn't my thing. So I wasn't sure if I was going to like this. But I tried it, and it was actually quite pleasant. It was quite nice. And she brought over this one, the blueberry one. Since then, I've tried them all, and I do like them. They're kind of fun. And of course, the best thing is that it's dairy-free. No baby cows needed to be ripped apart from their mothers. No mother cows were crying. No mothers had to be raped in order to be pregnant, and they didn't have to be turned into milk machines. There's no excuse for animal abuse. Go vegan!
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals vegan food.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. Cheeseburgers are so good. And yeah, I know I used to eat them, but so are vegan burgers, and so are all these other vegan foods. When's the last time you had navy beans? When's the last time that you had fava beans? You know, you can buy these in bulk and you can cook them simply by boiling some water. It's so easy. And here's lima beans. All of these kinds of beans and plants have protein. Plants have protein. And most people don't realize that, but you do not need to eat any animals at all. And I know you're used to it, just like we all were brought into this world to be carnists. Unfortunately, even though we were born vegan, you see, you were born vegan because you never wanted to hurt animals. It wasn't your fault that you were shoved dead animal body parts into you. You didn't know better. But now you know better. So you can also do things like buy some quinoa. So go for it. Be a nice person. Be vegan. Hello. You're asking about being vegan and saying that it seems like it's really expensive in certain areas, especially with prices going up so much. And you're asking if I have any tips on how to start small. Yes, it's absolutely easy to be vegan. In fact, meat used to be something that people ate very rarely as a treat. All of these kinds of packages that I'm showing here today are really inexpensive. Whether we're talking about different kinds of peas or lentils or beans, all of these kinds of things that you buy in a package like this can store for a really long time, and they have a lot of protein in them. Oats are also something that is very inexpensive and full of protein, really easy to eat. And like I said, it stores for a really long time in case of emergencies. We have bags and bags of this stuff in our house. Make a big pot of lentils, chickpeas, rice, and oats and leave them in the fridge for the whole week and just keep dipping into them. Add some veggies and whatever else.
Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Did you hear the axiom? Did you hear the truth? Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got cancer-fighting flavonoids, so you should eat it starting in your youth. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's a cruciferous veggie with lots of fiber, that's a fact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It will keep your gut microbiome happy and intact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got vitamins B6, D, A, and K. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It keeps your feces flowing freely along their way. Be vegan today. Chop it in a salad, pickle it in a jar, shred it in a soup. Now you know the cabbage songs, you can sing it in a loop. Vegan doctors, athletes, kids, and parents too, they all eat cabbage, and so should you. You should be vegan too. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's actually purple and blueberries are too. You should be vegan. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Be vegan. Vegans eat it, and so should you. That's what you should do.
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. Not a hater, just a neutral person, was wondering if you have ever eaten anything not vegan. If so, how did you feel? Again, not a hater, just curious. First of all, I want to thank you for being polite and for making sure that I know that you're not a hater. I really do appreciate that because there are so many cruel people here who are vegan phobic. And it seems like you are not vegan yet, but it seems like you're more of a vegan fantastic kind of person, which means that you're not cruel, you're just curious and trying to help us. So thanks again for that. Regarding the food, well, I eat all kinds of things that I never used to eat very much of. I never really cared that much for veggies and fruits and nuts and seeds and all kinds of things, but I got used to it. And I'm sure that you will too. I definitely feel so much better emotionally because I'm not eating animals. It just makes me sick to my stomach to know how many animals I harmed in the past. But it feels good to be vegan. So thanks for being here.
Yippee, yippee, time to put soy milk in my coffee. Yippee, yippee, time to put soy milk in my coffee. Wake up, be vegan.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking a question. Do you drink almond milk or just no milk at all? Well, I definitely don't drink any cow's milk because that comes from the cycle of violence, as I've explained many times before on this channel, because the baby cows are murdered and the milk is stolen from them. And also the mother cows are raped as well as the father cows. So it's just a terrible cycle of violence. So definitely no dairy milk and also no goat's milk. But of course, if you can look around here, there are so many other options to choose from. There's all kinds of milks. There's oat milk, there's almond milk, and this is just a very small local grocery store. You can also get all kinds of other milks like cashew milk, macadamia milk, and some that is made from pea protein. All kinds to choose from. The main one I have at home though is soy milk because I find it is one of the most nutritious, but just have fun. Just don't hurt animals. Thanks for being here.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Responding to comments, and you're next. You write, please don't be killing animals for your taste buds. They didn't have to die for you. Be on the right side and go vegan now. Well, thank you so much for being vegan and for being helpful here on my channel. You're absolutely right that being vegan is great. It's great for health, it's great for the environment, and it's great, of course, for the animals. And I'm taking a moment here to get people to focus on different vegan foods that are not expensive. We look at lentils here, and we look at all different kinds of lentils. You know, there's red lentils, there's green lentils, there's brown lentils, all different kinds. When you buy them like this, they don't cost a lot of money, and you can stock up in case of emergencies, and you can cook and feed an entire family with very, very little cost. So, thanks for being here. Go vegan, everyone.
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Reading comments today, here's what you say. You say, I ate pork dinner last night. Way better than vegetables. Well, you seem to forget that you were actually born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. It's not in you by nature. But look, here's a few different things that you can choose from to help you get over the hump. Now, I personally don't eat these kinds of foods that often, but I do as a treat once in a while. Look, they're made entirely from plants. Plants have protein, enough protein for you to survive and thrive. There are vegans in the Olympics, so all you have to do is get used to eating new foods, healthy foods. Just get out of your old habits. It can be done. It is done by millions, in fact billions of people around the world. They manage to somehow stop smoking, they stop biting their nails, they stop drinking alcohol, and they stop eating animal products. Just look around. Thanks a lot for being here and being open to veganism. See you on the right side of history.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's